Hey guys, this is Jack from Guitar Elevation, the channel that is all about helping you elevate your guitar playing so you can play anything you dream of. I'm pretty sure you dream of making your guitar scream like that. Man, the feeling is amazing, right? So, without too much talking, let's get down to this. And you better stick till the end of the video because I'm giving you some exercises that you're gonna practice at home. Are you? Let's go. So, what is pinch harmonic? Like the name says, it's a harmonic. Well, here's a natural harmonic. And like the name says, this is a natural harmonic. However, what we're doing, the pinch harmonic, is not natural at all. Actually, it's artificial. We're causing it by doing a small trick with the picking hand, but also with the fretting hand. A lot of people miss the fretting hand part. Let's talk more about the right hand for now when it comes to the technique, and then we'll cover the fret hand later on. So let's talk about the initial picking position. The initial picking position is usually parallel to the string. So the pick is parallel to the string. Okay, and let's consider that the string is the initial position that is 0 degrees. What we want to do is actually twist a little bit, the angle of the pick, let's say 45 degrees with the string, in order for us to be able to perform a better pinch harmonic. I'm not saying you cannot do a good pinch harmonic with the pick being parallel to the string, but it's way harder to do that. This is why we're twisting a little bit the angle of the pick in order to have more chances to get it right every single time. And here's the reason why we're doing that, because at the core of the technique, we need the thumb of your picking hand to slightly brush and touch the string. And this happens directly after we have stroked the string. So after you articulate, after you play, your thumb should slightly brush the string. Actually, it happens so fast that it's kind of simultaneous, but it's actually playing the string, articulating the string, and then brushing the string and slightly touching it with the thumb, with this part of the thumb. So let me demonstrate this for you really quickly here so you can understand the difference. That's a regular stroke and that's a pinch harmonic. One more time, regular stroke, pinch harmonic. All right, so students, when they first encounter this technique, they have a hard time being able to do it. But don't worry, if you practice this 10 minutes, even 5 minutes, some people get it right away, like after a couple attempts. Keep trying, but please make sure to actually apply the thing that I showed you with the right hand, or else it's gonna be really hard to do that. But we're not done, because half the job lies with the fretting hand. After playing the notes, what you need to do is actually apply a vibrato to that note, because it's going to give you much more sustain and much more room for the note to scream and breathe. So that's a pinched note without vibrato, and that's a pinched harmonic or pinched note with vibrato. As you see, the note is screaming and is way more expressive. Here's an exercise for you in order to make this work every single time when you intended it to work. Because sometimes we do those pinch harmonic by pure luck and pure chance, but you would want to be able to perform the pinch harmonic whenever you intended it. So take any scale you want, for example, the minor scale, the major scale, pentatonic, whatever, and try to play that scale with having all the notes pinched, like that. Up the scale and down. Very, very good. So that way you make sure that all of your notes are being pinched. Here's another exercise for you, which is a little bit harder. It's alternating between a pinched note and a normal note. So here's what I mean. Again, use any scale you want, or you can just play chromatically like that. I'm still using the A minor scale, so that's a normal note, that's pinched. That's a normal note, that's pinched. That's a normal note, that's pinched. Anyway, it reminds me of the Unforgiven solo from Kirk Hammett. What he does is he's playing a pinch harmonic, then a normal note, then a pinch harmonic. And that's beautiful, that's genius, and incorporate this into your playing. That would sound amazing. One last exercise I'm going to give you is to try to come up with licks and apply the pinch harmonic at the end. So for example, alright, have fun with that. I need to tell you one more thing that is really important. Depending on where you're picking, the position of your pick, you're gonna get another kind of sound. So check this out. Depending on where you're picking is gonna alter the sound of your pinch harmonic. So that's why it's important to find the exact, or let's say the best spot for you to hit that string. Usually it's between the neck pickup and the middle pickup, or on a humbucker, the same thing, but whatever it is on a humbucker guitar. One last thing, using the bridge pickup can help you get a better pinch harmonic sound. However, you can execute this, you can still do it, even if you're using a neck pickup, but it's a little bit harder. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Let me know how it goes. Write a comment below, let me know if this worked for you or not. Watch this lesson a couple times, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to join our community, check the first comment below or the description section where we leave lots of information about that. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.